Gold fairly traded in a very narrow range throughout this day. It has seen a drop towards 1968 in the Asia and Europe session update. We have seen why 1968.70 is a great support, and precisely it has respected the support levels so far. At the same time, crude oil too has been trading within the very narrow range. Yes, we have the inventory data coming in late in the day today. Definitely, it will bring more volatility into the oil's prices, but right now it is very well stabilized here. So, what to expect with the US session? Which position you should take trading gold and crude oil? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Let's start first to look into gold followed with oil. Watch till the end. If you look at the hourly charts of gold, you will find if you divide it into two half, see the lower highs, then the drop, then again the retracement and lower highs. So it is itching hard. It is waiting for it to break past by this channel. Right now, if you look at see the pole there and the flag formation here, a breakout above 1976 might bring little bullishness, but still I will see greater resistances coming up here for gold on the upside towards 1980, 82, 85 zone. Yes, only reversal confirmation if you see the prices is staying above 1985. So a possible buying entry can be taken at around 1976, but with a caution note that 1978 you can find this is a greater resistance than 1980, then 1982.5 and 85, very nearby resistances. Beyond 85 it is going to fly high towards 1991 and then 2000 levels this time, but right now it is getting a very strong resistance. I do see this as a flag formation. Any breakout now below 68 and 70 zone is certainly should be taken as a bearish move here. What we can see here, if it is creating lower highs, it can create lower lows here. Lower lows suggest 54 and 50 zone may prove out to be the first support zone before it moves towards the next and strongest support here in this zone between 50 and 45. Yes, these are going to remain great support levels of gold for the day. Stochastic seen rising here. The MACD is almost flat, neither bearish nor bullish. RSI is equally flat at the same time. Coming to 2-hour charts, if you look at 2-hour charts here, on the 2-hour charts, the price is right now taking the support from the 20 period moving average. It is just swinging around the 20 period moving average, neither willing to stay up nor willing to stay down. Yes, moving averages have converged a bit. It has not yet crossed over. It is still staying bullish. At the same time, 50 and 100 period moving average are too much divergent, suggestive that yes, there is a possibility of it to converge further, and there is a possibility or probability for prices to further move on the downside towards 1950 levels. Definitely the support levels below 1968 is 1964, 1960, 1954, 1950. Yes, these are going to be the levels which you need to watch out for. The stochastic is seen rising. See, MACD has almost fallen flat here, not yet crossed over. Remember the fact, not yet crossed over. Red candles from here may help it diverge further and move downside. RSI is staying flat. Coming to 3 hour, likewise on the 3-hour charts, higher lows, lower highs, zone of consolidation, and after the retracement, after the flag formation here, it is just consolidating within the zone here. We have to wait and watch out how it behaves at around 1968-70 zone. Below 1968, certainly the bearishness may prevail. So still consolidating, still indecisive. Let it give a breakout. Either which way, it is going to be a stronger one. Yes, beyond 1978 we can possibly expect more, the bullishness increasing here. Stochastic looking downwards. The MACD is still bearish. It is trying to fall flat. It has not yet crossed over. It is just trying to converge a bit. RSI is also staying flat here. Coming to 4-hour. Now look at 4-hour chart. See, first of all, lower highs here are seen. Prices getting stronger resistance from the top of the line here. Previous candle, preceding candle was a swing candle. Yes, below this zone, below this levels 1968, certainly we can say that. See, if it is symmetrical, if you look at these two formation, you will find this and this, and now before this it was a bearish move here. So yes, it can break out on the downside this way. There is a probability. Stochastic falling flat. MACD is bearish here, trading with little divergence, trying to converge. This crossover has come up at a slightly higher levels. This also we have seen from, see, we have seen the journey from -20 to +20. Now at least this should fall towards the zero line, the neutral levels here. RSI has come out of the overbought zone, trading flat here. Coming to the daily, on the daily chart, just remember one point. See, there is one important observation here is the yesterday's candle was one of the retracement candles, but it closed with a very or diminishing body size from the preceding candle. See, preceding candle was also a swing candle, but yesterday's candle was with a smaller body size. And right now, if you look at, lower highs are respected so far, and thus this zone is very very important for gold to break pass by on the upside. So what will happen if it gravitates on the downside? If the price is reverse here, see, one can initiate at 1970 as well, but then we have to be watchful. Yes, this candle could be a stronger bigger one, but it requires some trigger for it to fall strongly on the downside. Creating lower lows means yes, it can move towards 1950 1945 zone. But at the same time, right now it is not showing the intent at the same intent. At the same time, it is the preceding candle with the diminishing body size suggests that this candle can again try to attempt and achieve on the upside. So we are going to stick to the levels. We are going to just trade as. Now, if you look at the moving averages, these have crossed over here and these are showing bullish signs. 1915 to 1930 is the zone in which the moving averages are lying. Also, if you look at the prices are too much divergent from the moving average. Yes, it requires for it to converge, but what is happening right now is it is waiting for the moving average to climb up before it looks over to any downside. I do expect that there should be a red candle, but it is right now not showing any signs, and thus we have to just stick to the trading levels. Stochastic looking downside here. MACD is in green, it is trying to converge. RSI is near to overbought levels here. Before I give you the trading levels for the day, do like, share, subscribe and comment. You can join my mentorship batch. The 27th batch is going to start on 28th of November. The more details regarding the batch and the curriculum is available on my platform www.forexfunda.com. This platform is created for you, for the traders, with a vision to provide the traders all the relevant information at a single place, be it the economic calendar, be it the market charts, and all the markets, all the charts are available there with greatest indicators. You can put your indicators and create your own analysis. At the same time, there is a discussion forum where like-minded traders can discuss their ideas. My video summary is also available at the. Also, there is an interesting feature where you can book a call and get the consultation related to any or every of your trading queries here. Yes, whether it is with related to your account, it is with related to your trades, or it can be with related to any of your futuristic trades which you want to discuss. You can book a call with me. You can have a consultation there. So just visit the site www.forexfunda.com. More details are available, and join my free Telegram channel to get more live updates. Now, with that, I will recommend you to buy gold today at 1976 with a caution note 1978 80 82.5. So 20 pips, 1978 80 82.5, and then 85. These four levels we have to just watch there. Yes, we have to shift our stop losses to these resistances. Once we are taking a buying position, we have to shift our stop losses manually, such that in case of a reversal, at least our capital is preserved. Because it is only beyond 1985, we can say that the price is going to trade bullish, and we are looking at 1991 and 2000 levels. On the downside, I will recommend you to sell here at 1970 and the nearest resistance at 1968. Beyond that, 1964 60 54 50. The probability of prices falling towards 1950 exists, but right now it is not showing any intent. As and how it moves one or the other resistances, for example, moving below 1964, chances will be high that it can drop towards 1960 54 levels. So yes, these resistances, put a trailing stop loss and ensure that you are booking or preserving your profits, keeping your stop losses at these resistances and how these levels are breached. Trade accordingly. Now let's have a look at crude oil. So if you look at crude oil, see higher low, that is just consolidating here. It has neither breached 83.8 levels on the upside. We have seen in our Asia and Europe session update why 83.8 is a greater resistance, and why. See, previously these were the support levels, 83.8, 84. We have seen it many times, and now these are the resistances. So wait for the price to stay above 83.8. This price has to be above 83.8 in order to confirm the rise. Beyond that, we can look forward to 84.2, 84.8, and then 85.5. Yes, it can reverse completely. Staying above 85 levels is where the bulls might try to take over. So yes, we can initiate a buying entry. At the same time, it is only below 83, 82.8 levels where the bears will be taking over. Very, very good support is seen here. Right now, it is just consolidating. Now, see, we were talking about the divergence of the price from the moving average. Now it has waited for the moving average to come down, and see, it has achieved the moving average, getting the resistance precisely from the same levels. The stochastic fall after retracing here to the levels. The MACD has crossed over at bottom. It is still trying to trade with little divergence and bullishness. It has seen the bottom. It is trying to reverse. More bullishness may prevail here. RSI coming out of the oversold levels, coming to the 2 hour. Now on the 2 hour chart, see one bullish candle retracement, second bullish candle might take it above 84.2, 84.5 zone, and beyond that more bullishness further on the upside can be seen. Right now if you look at, see, prices are still staying bearish. You can note the formation of oil here, drop retracement, drop consolidation, drop consolidation. So yes, it can take another round of drop here. These are markets, anything and everything is possible. But if you look at the divergence here and here is different, thus the chance for it to retrace on the upside exists more. Stochastic rising, MACD crossing over at the bottom. See, it has seen a fairly good bearish move here and now trying to cross over. This crossover may bring little bullishness in oil prices. RSI coming out of the oversold levels, coming to 3 hour. Likewise on the 3 hour charts, preceding two candles with the almost double bottom levels, this candle trying to rise. We have to wait for it to break past 83.8, then you can look forward to 84.2, and then look at the divergence. It may go closer to 84.5, 85 levels here. Yes, these levels are achievable, and beyond this, only above 86, you should treat this as a reversal. Right now, if you look at the moving averages are crossing over here, this is still a bearish sign. Do not treat oil as turned bullish. Right now, whatever we are seeing, it is going to be a retracement. It might retrace towards 85 levels before reversing. There is a probability. Stochastic rising from the bottom. The MACD has traded bearish. It is trying to converge. It has not yet crossed over. And it does not mean that it cannot fall further. Yes, it can fall further, but right now candle size is diminishing. It is willing to converge. There is a chance for it to cross over. RSI oversold, coming out of the oversold levels, coming to 4 hour. Similar observation on the 4 hour charts. A little retracement on the upside can be expected here. So little retracement suggests that we might see 84.5, 85 levels at least. Even if it has to retrace, these levels might get achieved. Stochastic at bottom trying to recover a bit. MACD trading with extreme divergence, candle size diminishing, possibility of it to converge exists. RSI oversold, it might come out of the oversold levels here. Coming to the, now if you look at the daily chart, see higher lows, higher highs here. After the drop, this is the retracement zone. That is why I have mentioned categorically in today's update that below 82.5 and 82 levels is where the bears will be taking over, as long as 82 is respected. Because see, below 82 it is going to be a crash here, because see the drop here, the retracement, and if it continues with the drop, first it will look forward to form a double bottom at 82.5, 80.7 zone, and then the prices will fall below 80. But as long as 82 levels are respected, we can see this is staying in this retracement zone, and it can try to again achieve the highs of the channel. Stochastic at bottom, MACD interestingly has crossed over, and it is still trying to trade with divergence and bearishness. RSI is staying flat. So looking at this, again you can buy. If you see the prices, this price is staying above 83.8, you can buy 84.2, 84.5, 85. Three levels, very good resistance, then 85.5, and then 86. This is the resistance zone. If the price stays above 86, treat this for a reversal. On the downside, I will recommend you to sell here at, see, 83, 82.8 zone, very, very good support exists here. Below 82.8, it is going 82.4 and 82. These two are the next support levels below 82.8. Only below 82 is where the bears will be taking over for 81 and then 80.5, and then there should be a crash. Yes, there should be a crash if it stays below 81, 80.5 levels. It is going to drop towards 78, 79, but chances appears that it is not going to happen, at least today. Thus, take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss and a trailing stop loss. Do like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship best signals channel. Join my free Telegram channel in order to get the live market updates. Also, you can join my platform www.forexfunda.com. The link is there in the channel and video description. Must visit the platform. Start and initiate your discussion. Let's have a discussion there at the platform. See you there. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day. See you again tomorrow with the first update for crude oil and gold with the Asia and Europe session. Was that as well. Thank you.